in the first video, what you see? You see this diffuse direct illumination, and with low and medium magnification, and it's a general. We look to the eye general. We look how we can graduate and assess lashes, bulbar conjunctiva, conjunctival redness, limbal redness, palpebral conjunctiva, and so on. In this case, you see that we have evaluated in general eyelid, lashes with diffuser. In this, here we use this diffuser that better divides the light due to all eye. In this case, we look to the bulbar conjunctiva and ask for patient to look in one position in another. In this case, we evaluate this bulbar conjunctiva. Then we take a finger, take a finger, and look to the lower lid conjunctiva, and here quite well is visualized these Meibomian glands also. Then to see better margin of the lower lid here, and just now I try to, there is a visualization of the Meibomian glands, and just now I push, and here you need to see this meibomium that goes out from Meibomian glands. Here you also, in this case, you can see upper part of the conjunctival bulbus, and in this you need to take in a hands grading scale. And if you look conjunctival redness, you need to understand in which scale I put it. Here is quite red this lower margin conjunctiva, and also it's not so easy to see, but here is quite parallel lid margins, these holes. We look to the second video, where is upper lid aversion technique with diffuser direct illumination. There you can see how avert technically, maybe not so in the good technical quality, but maybe it's useful for somebody. It's also angle between light source and it's around 30-45. Just now I avert upper lid and go closer and focus my viewing system and the light source try to the upper lid. Here you need this upper lid divide in the parts, and as you see here, the parts, temporal parts and nasal part of the upper eyelid is much the redness and the pupils it's huger in these part side, and therefore you need put in a temporal or nasal part put different grading numbers. Third video, where you see also we use diffuse direct illumination with medium magnification, and here we look to the contact lenses. We look to the centration in all direction of the gaze, complete corneal coverage, vertical movements on blinking in primary position, lag of eye movements, and push-up test. Here is a contact lens. It's not so easy. I wanted to reduce magnification, but it's my mistake. Just now there is a 6-time magnification on slit lamp, and in diffuse light we look to the centration of the contact lens. It's covered all cornea. Then we ask to blink in primary position and look here how much is these movements of the eye. It's for me it's better to compare with a lower lid margin size. Then I see that this 0.2 is here is and we it's quite good movements for this contact lens. And just now I ask to fixate and look to this slug. You see that the contact lens a little bit are slower than the movements of the eye. It's a normal how must the contact lens moves. Once more, also, just now I put and make a push-up test. Push to and look how fast the contact lens return in a place. My offer, the normal position, it's around how strong you need put it, says that around 75% is normal. If you need to put more, it's you need to put more intensity to push up this contact lens, that it's too tight contact lens feature, to tight contact lens. Just now it's another contact lens, different. In right eye for this patient, this was eye optics with basic curve 8.7 and in this case, what I wanted to see, maybe you see or maybe not, that these contact lenses are moving less than on a right eye. These movements in upward blinking is less. It's not 1 millimeter or 1.5. It's less than 1 millimeter, around maybe half. But what I wanted to show you that this lens is a little bit tight for this patient. If I need to choose, then I better choose the lens that are that was in a right eye, because these moments I need to press stronger, and the lens come back slower in a place. Okay, I explain what kind of contact lenses. For right contact lenses, I use eye optics, and for left eye, it was Johnson and Aquaview Oasis. But both contact lenses was torical contact lenses. Therefore, its diameter was equal 40.5, but basic curve of the contact lens differ. For my viewpoint, it's to use that lens that is more or less movable contact